Yeah, dude. Yeah.
You're fine. Oh, what the
What up, fellow riders? We're about to go meet up with a bunch of Surron kids, go rip it up around town. Got a huge ride out of North Park in San Diego. We're gonna check it out and have a good time.
Hey, did you find a place to take a piss?
Right there in a can.
Oh, you just did. Yeah.
Damn.
I feel old as shit right now.
Dude, so do I.
Fuck.
I mean, you're not alone. Dude, I wish when I was 15 we had these, you know?
Oh shit, yeah. Damn, everyone's so young.
I know. I know, I'm old as fuck here. Yeah! Oh shit! Yeah, dude!
The back wheel's loose. Loose as shit.
The what?
My back wheel got all loose.
No. Dude, I seen your wheel just a little wobbly when we left.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
I was gonna tell you when we stopped, but I already forgot.
dude, it's bad now. Like,
is it really?
Yeah, and I'm looking for somebody with like a 10 mil.
Look. Pedal, Dad! Pedal! Look out the. Whoa. You gonna go for it? With your tire like that?
I don't think I should risk it. It looks.
Yeah, Dave. Yeah.
These kids, man, they've been hanging out the whole time.
I know. I want to ride. Yeah. Looking crazy, kids.
I fucking love it! Yeah! Back up. You're fine. Oh, what the Oh, shit! Oh my god! Holy fuck! Hey, get out of the street! Get your shit off the street! Someone got his bike? Watch out. Rider! Hey, where's his bike? Hey, someone's not riding his bike.
Dad, did you see what happened?
No, I didn't see what happened.
Did you see the fireworks that went off?
Loose, that's all.
Dude, did you see the fireworks that went off? Look at this.
Blown up when I saw
Look at
that
this,
shit.
look at this, bro.
And then when half of them went that way, half went that way.
Let's go, let's get out of here. Right there.
Just a little road rash.
Look at that elbow.
Yeah, this little kids one is a little more gnarly than the other adult one I go every third Saturday.
Right?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Fucking people blowing shit up in the middle of the street. Jesus Christ.
Yeah. So alright, just finished up the ride. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Ran out of battery towards the end, but I think I got some good footage still. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time. Thanks.